if you truly believe, Ma Sharda will call you herself. And today I have finally reached to Maihar, the divine seat of Ma Sharda Devi, resting high on Trikuta Hills in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jia the Explorer. I'm Jia and I hope you all are safe. Today I'm going to tell you each and every detail, how to reach here in Maihar, where to stay and how to book the ropeway. Also all the important points you will require to come here. So be till the end and seek the blessings from Ma Sharda Devi, the goddess of wisdom, knowledge and music. You can very easily reach Maihar by train or by bus. For staying, there are so many options. Decent hotels you will get in the range of 800 to 3000 rupees. If you are going by your own car, getting parking in small hotel could be a challenge and you may have to park on the road. I stayed in Shubh Karman Hotel, which had good parking space. From hotel, local conveyance e-rickshaw is very convenient and economical. It will cost you 30 to 50 rupees within 2 kilometers range. Parking near temple could be challenging, so avoid going by your own vehicle. Once you reach temple, you can opt to go by stairs. There are around 1000 plus steps, which may take you 1 to 2 hours. Depends on your speed and stamina. However, there is another option to go by ropeway. You can take ticket directly on window. However, I would recommend to book online from bookmeryride.com. Ropeway charges are around 150 rupees for both sides. So to reach to the temple, there are two options. The first option is by stairs and there are around 1100 stairs to climb up and descend down. However, there is also another option, that is the ropeway. I generally prefer going by stairs, but to show you all, I have opted this ropeway facility for those who are coming over here and they have some problem while climbing up, or maybe elderly people. This is a very good option you can opt. It's a very good facility by the ropeway. So it's going to take, I guess, 5 to 7 minutes to go up. However, I'll also show you while descending down from the stairs. Anyways, let's go up and take the darshan of Ma Sharda Devi. Jai Mata Di. Ma Sharda is considered a form of goddess Saraswati, Devi of knowledge, wisdom and music. That's why many students and parents come here to seek blessings for education and success. I'm going to take the darshan inside, however the photography and videography is not allowed, but the blessings of Ma Sharda will reach you. Let's take the darshan. Finally, I have taken the darshan of Ma Sharda Devi. It is good that it was not that much crowded, otherwise it's usually very much crowded during festivals like Navratri or any other festivals. Now I feel very blessed after taking the blessings from Ma Sharda Devi. Let me give you a quick tour of this premises. If you are liking this vlog, comment Jai Ma Sharda and let me know if you need any details regarding Maihar Devi visit. I will guide you. As I descend down from the temple, I not just carry with me blessings, but a feeling of calm and inspiration. They say Ma Sharda does not give you what you want, but gives you what you truly need. And that's why every visit to Maihar feels like coming home. While going down, I explored through stairs, which is time taking but fun. Once you reach down, definitely you will get hungry. So there is this small cafeteria. However, I decided to have khichdi prasad outside from Mai Ki Rasoi, which is free and of course super delicious. It feels I am filled with divine energy, which is inspiring me to explore new places. So we'll meet you very soon. By the time, be safe and take care. Jai Ma Sharda. जुग जुग जी रे